Thank you for your purchase of the Woodcroft double bookcase by Fernco International. In the following video guide, we will show you how to easily assemble and use your bookcase. In this segment, we will review all of the parts and hardware used in this assembly. After opening the box, take an inventory of parts and hardware to be used for this assembly. If you find any missing pieces or have questions, please contact our customer service department at 1-877-676-1050. Front frame assembly. Bottom panel. Top panel. Back panel. Top front molding. Left top side molding. Right top side molding. 4 left glass shelf frames. 4 right glass shelf frames. 8 glass shelf inserts. 20 1/4 inch by 3/8 inch bolts. 5 1/4 inch by 1 inch bolts. 6 L brackets. 4 round L brackets. 32 shelf pins. 14 5/16 by 3/8 inch bolts. Tipping restraint hardware. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver to complete this installation. 2 people are recommended for assembly.